Hi, welcome to Unopened Letter. Today I'm unboxing a Chic Sparrow Traveler's Notebook. I'm very excited. It's a new color, a new pen loop design. Let's take a look. They also changed up the packaging. Please watch my other unboxing videos if you're curious how they designed the packaging before, but this is their new look and I like it. I think it's so perfect with the Sparrow. I assume, let's take a look in private. Okay. Here you can find an important message that we have seen a couple of times, and here are also a few stickers. It's so cool. It's their signature card, the same sticker but a little bit larger, and this a feather. I enjoy this Sparrow a lot. I would love to reuse the sticker, so I want to be gentle because it's perfect for my journal. Here it is. Oh, I just figured that my nail polish is quite matching with the packaging. Cool. Okay. I always feel pressure to show an emotional reaction. Okay, so this is the new design. I think the color is quite nice. This is the inside. Here is a little scratch, but I don't mind. And this is the new pen loop. This is interesting because they changed it up and they decided to combine the pocket with the pen loop, so it's even. Cool idea. This is the only other Chic Sparrow that I currently have, the Siren, which is the distressed version of the Mr. Darcy Buttered Rum. And this is the Mr. Darcy Bennet. When I saw the pictures, I knew that I prefer darker elastics, so I ordered elastics from another seller. I ordered 2mm elastics. I think it's not quite the same size, but we're going to try it anyway. Oh, you can see my makeup stains, damn it. I must admit I prefer it with the brown elastic, so I would like to keep it like that. Ooh, the more I look at it, the more I like it. I instantly fell in love with the Siren that I was unboxing in my last unboxing video. But this one, it took a few minutes. And let's try the pen loop. Oh my god. This is what it looks like with a Lamy Safari fountain pen. What was it about putting into the front? Oh my god, this, oh god. Is it what? I saw it. Oh my god, really? Oh, I feel so uncomfortable. Let's try it with this fountain pen, which is a little bit smaller. Yeah, it's so much easier to bend it. I think it's interesting. I think it's interesting. I've used the TN for a while now, and I noticed a few things that I don't really like about the new pen loop. Maybe you're curious what happened to my hair. I cut it. I'm going to upload a video on my other channel on how I cut it, and maybe you're interested, then please take a look. Anyway, back to the pen loop, because I personally enjoy when the elastic is in the center, when there's a symmetry and everything is horizontal. When you have your TN on your desk or in your bag and it moves around, because of the shape of the new pen loop, the elastic automatically moves downwards and it's like this. I know other brands don't care about it at all. They always have an elastic like this, maybe even like this. But I always appreciated that about the pen loop. It can be horizontal and perfect, in my opinion at least. Yeah, I tried a few things and I tried to fold the pen loop inwards, but no. The only thing that helped was putting in a pen. If you're actually using the pen loop, that shouldn't be a problem. Also, if you have a larger TN, because I saw that larger sizes don't have that issue at all. The pen loop doesn't interfere with the elastic. It's nothing to worry about. But with the A6 size, that's something I noticed and something I don't really like. But maybe you don't care about it at all. Maybe you don't mind when the elastic is like this, or maybe you even use the pen loop. Of course, it would make sense to use it, actually. I know that if you don't like that pen loop, you can actually just cut it off without any problems, since it's part of the secretary pocket, and that shouldn't be too difficult, but I don't want to cut it off. Oh my god. After all, I still use the pen loop, but not all the time. I would love to have the option and not be forced to put in a pen all the time, but yeah, maybe you can help me because I love this color so much. So let's get back to the video. I like to compare it with other traveler's notebooks that I own, and now there is a new member, the Bennet. What do you prefer? Do you prefer this color with a white elastic or with a brown one? By the way, the classic version of this color without pockets and without a pen loop, it does come with a brown elastic, but the deluxe version comes with a white elastic. Is it interesting information? I hope so. If you were curious about the new pen loop design and the new color, I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. Ring the bell. I hope I'll see you next time. Bye!